So appointment done. That was thoroughly awful. But let's go look around some charity shops. Good morning. Right, I'm off the dentist again. So let's get in there. Let's get this final thing done and we'll come back. Well, that absolutely sucks. I know this channel's meant to be about reselling, not dentistry, but I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I can't feel this side of my face currently. So yeah, that was a thoroughly unpleasant experience. It was a wisdom tooth, which I've never had issues with, but for some reason they wanted to replace a small filling in it, which I say I never had issues, but obviously when I was younger I did have a tiny little tiny little filling, and he said, "Oh, you happy to do it without anaesthetic?" I said, "Yeah, if it's just a little filling." Well, he started drilling and I just jumped out the chair. Oh my goodness, like all the way down here. Oh God. So he was like, "Okay, we'll do some anaesthetic, but it'll take a while to kick in." So he does it and it's sort of numbing up a bit. And he goes, "Unfortunately, because of the time of the appointment, we're just going to have, because I've started drilling, we're going to have to do it now." So basically, they did it with minimal anaesthetic. And as soon as it was done, and I was walking out the door, and I went to look around some charity shops, now it's numbing up. So it was absolute agony. But thankfully, it's my last appointment, other than the sort of the sum up one to see about a crown. So brush your teeth, look after your teeth. I mean, I brush my teeth, but I guess when I was younger, I drank a lot of cider, and that must have ruined my teeth. So, yeah, that was a thoroughly unpleasant experience. So, touch wood, that will sort it out and not create another issue. So, yeah, I've been around the charity shops and found pretty much diddly dick all. I'll show you what I found. Can't eat for 4 hours as well, which is fun. Some DVDs, Phantom of the Opera, new and sealed. Again, no crazy money makers. An Ideal Husband. That is going to be a Christmas present for my wife. Bit of a joke. And then The Royal Affair. Again, the £4.99 free postage. I'm scraping the barrel. And then for £3 I got these two, which is a bit much, but it's for my lad. Obviously got Lightning McQueen. It's like a metal toy. And then I got a Thomas with just Clarabelle, not Annie. But it's got glow-in-the-dark wheels. And so it's some kind of special edition one. 2013. And my son's obsessed with Thomas. So he'll like that it's like the glow-in-the-dark one. So hopefully it works. So I'd pay £3 for that, because some of the Thomas ones, if you get like the gold ones or the celebration ones, they can go for decent money. Some of the more obscure characters, definitely look out for. So that was it. I didn't get much. So I've got so many. Thankfully, I've got loads of orders to post out. I went around the charity shops just see if there's any Christmas related stuff, that sort of thing. There's a couple of titles I'm looking out for at the moment. But yeah, I've got to go home and get post done, because post office is going to be busy. It's the last push before Christmas, and orders are compiling in with guaranteed delivery by Christmas, according to Amazon. So yay, we'll see if that pans out. My DHOTW head of the week got restricted, demonetized and all that, so hope you enjoyed that one, because they always do. It's either swearing or because people have sensitive ears and need you know, it's not advertiser friendly, which is fine. I don't do them for ad revenue. I do them because, you know, a bit of a laugh. So yeah, I'm continuing with Vlogmas, even though it's, you know, it's tricky to keep up, but I'm persevering because it's helping my editing skills. So I'm going to go and pick some orders now, and then go and do absolutely loads of posts. So I hope your sales are doing good anyway.
2,000 years later.
Wow, I've still got so many orders to go out. Still got 33 orders to go out, but it's now night time. It's getting really late and I need to edit this video and get it out tonight, hopefully. One plus thing that happened is I went down to my storage unit to pick orders, and the woman had emptied out a storage unit and put some scrap metal out. And I wasn't fussed about that because it was all steel anyway, and okay, if it was copper or something, fair enough, but I wasn't fussed about it. But on the top there was some old trays, and I looked underneath and said, "Oh, can I grab some of these?" She's like, "Yeah, help yourself." I managed to grab these. Is it Evans? Lager. Since 1856. I am very dyslexic, so and I am have been officially diagnosed as dyslexic before somebody else jumps on me. And these sell for, well, comps are around £15 to £20 each, and I've got a set of 4, so I might list a set of 4, you know. What do you reckon? Do you reckon people would buy a set of 4 of these, or they just have one? I'm not sure, but they're in really nice condition anyway, and for free. I was definitely going to take them. So yeah, that's today's video over with. I'm going to try and put out Vlogmas ones, but with the amount of posts that I've got, it's going to be tricky. But I'll try and get some out there for you. I did say I wouldn't do it every day, but yeah. So thanks ever so much for watching. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button. And if you like videos like it, check out this video here. See you tomorrow.